Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down a little bit to find always on display and lock screen. Here as you can see we've got the sleep, so let's enter. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, which are relatively short options. And 1 to 5 or 10 minutes, we do not have any more. Currently we've got the 1 minute option applied, as you can see it is marked. So in order to change it, just tap on the option like to use. So I'll pick 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. So basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.